So now we are going to talk about the transitions. Transitions are not crossings, but they are using the crossing modifier too. And usually when we connect through crossings to vectors that are following the same direction, it will come automatically a transition. So let's see it. And when we create it and we see it in WYSIWYG, we see that nice curve between both roads. That's because of our transition offset is high. If the transition offset is higher, we will get a smoother curve between both roads, like here. And if we make that transition offset lower, the result will be closer to the original two roads. So that's that transition. Right now we have it with one road with 2 lanes. So we had the 2 roads with 2 lanes each. Transitions work also with, that's a transition between roads with different lane numbers. For example, if we add here a few more, or one more, now we can change the markings of our lanes so they make it more sense. That one could be solid, and that here could be broken. If we want to connect our lanes differently, there is one important concept: the successor and predecessor IDs. It's a matter of merging lanes from one road to the other, giving it the IDs, the following or the predecessor ID, like here. We see there is a nasty marking here on the first lane of the first road. We can add a point and give that point a different marking type. It looks like by adding the point, it snapped it to the transition area, and the problem with the marking is gone. Now I encourage you to try it by yourself. That's the best way to get a good sense about all the tools in Tree and 3D Builder. You see here how we add more lanes to our second road. So draw some roads, make crossings with them, experiment with the HD separators, with the crossing modifiers and its attributes, and you'll see that you can make any road with Tree and 3D Builder.